Just got back from Milwaukee Pipeline, so naturally, we're gonna take a look at some Capri Ratchets. Locking flex heads with the comfort grip. It comes in a set of 3. We got 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2. This entire set is less than the cost of your typical single tool truck branded ratchet. So, 90 tooth C2 3-piece set. Do we need this? No. No, we do not. Here's the 1/2 inch here. And it's locked right now, so nice little button. And oh yeah, a little spring-loaded lock mechanism going on right there. Oh yeah, bud. That's feeling nice. Love the black and blue. Wow, let's lock it. See if I can get it unlocked with bare strength. Nope. Decent. 3/8. This is about, what, a foot? 8 1/4 on the 1/4 inch. Yep, 12 inches on the 3/8 and 18 1/4 on the 1/2. So decent lengths. They also make an extra long version of this whole set. Let's go to the 3/8. So she's locked, unlocked. Got her locked up. And she is staying in place. This one was left on. Oh, and that's feeling nice. Very little back drag on her. These are about $140, this whole set. I'm liking this. I do not have a locking flex in a 1/4. So, pretty stoked about this. Listen to the 1/4. Oh yeah, that's nice. Back drag's feeling good. Enough of that, let's compare. This guy is gonna be replacing the snap-on. Now this is not locking, but it is a flex head. I do like this grip, but I'm pretty sure I paid more for this single tool than it costs for this entire set of Capri locking flex comfort grip ratchets. Okay, do you understand that? Are you guys getting that? Oh, they are a little bit thicker. Let's listen to the snap-on and the Capri. Very similar, and it's just a touch longer than the snappy equivalent-ish, the non-locking snappy equivalent. So, riddle me that. Let's just set this right here, and we're gonna go ahead and demote this guy to down here. Next up, we have 12-inch 3/8. Typically, I use 16-inch 3/8. That's kind of sweet spot for me. So it looks like this is not gonna be replacing these two, but fixed Vim ratchet right here. And then this is gear wrench, which is a flex head, but it is not locking. They do make a locking version. Matco fixed 3/8. This is 88 teeth. Okay, listen to that. Very slim, I will say, a lot slimmer. Very similar size here. I will be switching this guy out. You're going there. And you have been demoted. Now, the 1/2 inch, I actually don't have any 1/2 inch up here, so this is a snap-on flex head, non-locking. We got this guy. Nice little push, pull, snap-on with this blue grip. And this thing was pricey. This is very nice for certain things like the front bolts of a Honda transmission or a transverse transmission like this. If you're trying to take them out and you might not have room for a ratchet or an impact, once you crack it loose, well, basically you can crack it loose with this just by changing the head to that awkward angle that you need. And then once it's loose, you can actually unhook this and just do a push-pull dealie kind of work it out. So this thing's nice. I think Icon, maybe, don't quote me on this, make something similar. I know there's a few similar styles out there. Probably don't buy the Snap-on one because it's overpriced. Who are you gonna replace? This Snap-on is, I believe that's 90 tooth, and it is a locking flex. So this locking mechanism is a little bit down further right here. And I have had this bolt come out a few times, and this whole thing kind of yeets off. I'm surprised I've found the mechanism in the bolt, but we still have them, bud, so about the same thickness. If you look at the ridges of the flex head mechanism, there's actually a lot more on the Capri Tools. So you can lock it at a full 90. I'm not sure if you can do that with the Snap-on. No, you cannot. So that's looking like a 45 locking situation. I could see maybe hitting this button on accident if you're in a really tight spot and ratcheting something. Could possibly push on that and unlock it, but that's really not a big issue. This looks like a solid replacement for this very expensive Snap-on, and the grips are very similar. We'll just set you right here for now, and I'll show you this Cornwell. So this is flex head, but it's not locking. It's just kind of got a ball detent mechanism there. It can go 90, it just can't lock. And how many teeth you got? 76 teeth on there, bud. Compare. Boot the same thickness there. Capri Tools, a little bit more lengthy. Okay, so demoted, promoted, and promoted. One more thing we gotta do, of course, the little ratchet flip test. So this is a beefcake, it's 1/2 inch. Little hefty, we'll see if we can do it. Little flippy and flop. Very solid, comfort grip, doing it well. Give this guy a flippy. This guy's pretty beefcake as well, and she's got good flips. Yeah, dog. Yep, that's a keeper. Let's give the baby locking quarter a little flippy poo. Okay. Yeah, it passes the flippy test. They look fantastic. Black and blue, can't go wrong with that. Love the locking mechanism. Flexi, all the way to 90. Lock that up. I mean, come on, $140 bucks? If you're still buying tool truck branded Ratchets, what are you doing? It is 2026, and we are now past getting beanbagged by tool truck branded tools. I mean, you're dumb if you choose to spend triple, quadruple the price of these to get basically the same quality tools, but off a tool truck with the branding. So, which by the way, the branding on this is fantastic. The grip is fantastic. Look at this guy. Come on. The GOAT. Simba. P.S. It comes with stickers. So, you know, very nice. What a gorgeous logo, bud. Little goatee boy. Eh? How's that looking? Little crooked. Okay, good talk.